So we're gonna pan the camera, we're gonna move a couple different directions. The first shot that I'd like to try is one where I move the camera vertically. I've switched the camera over to shutter priority mode. The other thing that I've set up is the self timer. So I'm gonna start up high, 3, 2, 1, move it down. Hey, kind of fun. I've been using my leveling display on the back of the camera just to make sure that I'm nice and level before I do my up and down movement. And I'm gonna start down low and see what we get. Ooh, these are coming out really nicely. I've got 1 second, f9, ISO 50, and I'm just focused on the train tracks and I'm waiting for my subject to come by. I had time for one shot. So I just stuck a 3-stop neutral density filter on my lens. Check these out.